Ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why does it... Hi guys, what's poppin'? denrussel here. Today, I'll be reviewing Lauat Herbal Hair Treatment Hairfall Defense Shampoo. Here's the list of the ingredients. What I like about this shampoo is it contains organic ingredients that may help promote hair growth. What I don't like about it is it contains sodium lauryl ether sulfate and parabens. The scent of this shampoo is earthy, floral. I really can't describe the scent. So I'm gonna use this shampoo every day until it runs out. Here's the result. It helped made my hair grow longer faster and slightly helped my hair fall. I just hope it did not contain SLS and parabens, so I would be so satisfied in using this shampoo. So that concludes my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Watch out for more videos from me this year. Bye for now. Regardless of warnings, the future doesn't scare me at all. Nothing's like before.